Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 633 named sum of square numbers. In this problem, we are given a non-negative integer c and we have to decide whether there are two integers a and b such that a square plus b square is equal to c or not. If it is, that means we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. Now in the first example, the value of c is 5. So here we can say that 1 square plus 2 square will be equal to 5. So here we have to return true. But for the value 3 in the second test case, it is not possible such that a square plus b square is equal to 3. So here we have to return false. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Here we have to determine whether a value of c is equal to a square plus b square or not. Now, the basic intuition is very simple. Suppose for this value c, it is a number line. Suppose it is the value of c here. And it is the square root of c. So this is c point and it is sqrt point. Now, the basic intuition is if we can represent any of the current integer by the summation of a square plus b square, that means in those kind of cases, between a and b, one will be appear before the square root and another will be appear after the square root. Suppose here a is less than b. So here we can see that, or we can say that the value a must be appear before the sqrt of c and the value of b must appear after the sqrt of c. So it is one of the intuition. So how can we solve this problem by using this intuition? Here, the algorithm is pretty simple. We have to simply run a loop from 0 to the square root of c. And in each iteration, we have to take the value x such that x is equal to c minus I square. And now we have to check whether the value of the x is perfect square or not. If the value of the x is perfect square, that means we can say that c can be expressed as summation of a square plus b square. Otherwise, it is not possible. So this is the basic intuition and algorithm of this problem. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named judge square sum. Here, the parameter is c. Now, we are using one loop from 0 to square root of c. And the value of x will be c minus I square. Now, here, by using this, we are going to check whether x is a perfect square or not. So here, at first, we calculated the square root of the given x, and here we are checking whether the square root is equal to the typecasting in form of this given square. If both of them are equal, that means it is a perfect square. In this case, we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to simply return false. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of sqrt of n because we are running the loop only till the square root of the given input. And the space complexity is also big O of n, big O of 1, because we are using only constant extra memories to solve this problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.